Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, Farmer Assistance Portal. And I have developed this project in Java, JSP, and MySQL. The version for the Java I am using is the GTK 1.8, and the MySQL version is 5.6. And for connecting Java JSP with MySQL, I am using the Java MySQL connector, which you will get easily from the MySQL.org website. Also, this is a web application. So for front-end development, I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also have used, like form validations and the calendar integrations, and many more things. I have used the jQuery plugins, right? So these all technologies I have used for developing this project, right? So let's start with the functionality go through. So the project title is Farmer Assistance Portal, and it's a major DBMS project developed in Java, JSP, and MySQL. Okay, there are four types of login available inside the system. The first is the normal buyer, the second one is the farmer, third one is the expert, and the fourth one is the admin, right? So there are four types of login available in this project, and there are four types of dashboard, and each and every user has their own dashboard with their own set of permission and functionalities, right? So let's start. So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is the home page, right? You can see there are these are the home page, and in this the above section is static and then below section is dynamic. These products are coming from the database, right? So you can add, update, delete these products from the backend panel, right, from the admin panel, right? So let me go through one by one. So this is the home page, right? You can see this is the home page. This is all of the products. Once you see, then all of the products which is available in the database will be displayed here. Once you click on the product, you will be able to see the product details, right? You can see the product details. Even you can add your comments here, means you can review the products. What is the experience, what your experience on this product you have, right? There, here you need to enter your name and the email and the comment, right? So once you post the comment, like I am posting it, the name is Kaushal, and Kaushal@gmail.com, and the password very good product, right? Once you click on the product, then you can see the comment is showing here, right? Okay, this is the add to cart. So once you click on the add to cart, then that product will be added into the cart. But once you click in the proceed to checkout, they need to log in, right? So I will explain it later. So this is the all products page. This is a notification. All of the notification, this notification will be published by the admin, right? All of the notification will be displayed here. Once you click on the notification, you will get the notification details here, right? Even you can put your comments here also, right, in the notification, right? So you can see all of the comments, you can post it here, right? This is all of the questions, right? All of the questions which has been asked by the farmers, right? Farmer has the form. Farmer one Farmer login inside the system, he has a form from where he can ask the question, right? Once you click on the question, he will be able to get the answers, and even you can put your all on answer also, right? Here you need to put your name and email and the comments, and after that it will be answered for this question. Okay, this is the registration, right? So there are two types of registration available here: farmer registration and the buyer registration, right? From here farmer can register and the buyer can register. Once you click on the farmer registration, then you can see there are a lot of fields here, right? And after registering on the website, he will be able to log inside the system using the username and the password, right? This is the again register. This is the buyer registration, from where buyer will be able to register, and buyer can buy the products which had been posted by the farmer, right? This is the registration. This is a login, and you can see there are four types of login: admin login, expert login, farmer login, and buyer login. Once any of the user type logins at the system, then he will be able to get his own dashboard, and after that he can perform their set of operations, right? This is a contact us. This is a static contact us page. I am not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into database. When I am not sending any type of email and SMS from this page, right? So let me go to login, right? So admin login. So the user ID is admin and the password is test. So once you log inside the system, then you can see these operations admin can perform, right? The operations here is also available in the above menu, right? Then what the admin can perform, admin can add the exports. So you can see from here admin can add the exports. Admin can add the product type, means type of the product. Admin can publish the notification to the farmer or the buyer or anyone, right? And for publishing the notification, he will enter the notification title, notification date, and image regarding the notification and the description, right? Once he publish the notification, farmers and experts can read it, even buyer can read it, right? Reports, all of the experts report, all of the experts which has been logging inside the system, right? Sorry, which has been registered inside the system, admin can see the list here, right? He can edit the details here, so you can see this is the edit details, right? And after that, if he get any type of unrealistic behavior performed by the user, then he can warn that expert or the farmer, right? Just click on the warnings, and after that he can warn, right? And this warning will be displayed, right, once farmer or expert login, right? This is a warning message, means if farmer or expert is doing something bad, or some posting some bad comments or posting fake comments, then he can post the message here, and after that this message will be displayed. Even admin can block the status of the farmer, right? So you can see active and blocked, right? So from here you can block or active there. So once you click on the block, then after that export or means you can say farmer will not be able to log in, right? So I have blocked the export first, right? So let's see what happened. This is all of the farmers report who has registered in the systems, right? The same system is available for the farmer, right? Once you click on the warning, there is no warning, but if you put the warning, okay, don't put fake comments, right? Once you click on the save warning, then this is the don't put fake comments, right? And if you click on the farmers and click on the warnings, then you can see the previous warning is this, right? Okay, this is the all customers, right? Admin can edit the customers, right? And after that admin can also see the order of the customers, all of the orders which has been placed by the customers, right? Admin can see what item customer has ordered, right? Even admin can edit the order status also, right? So what is the, sorry, this is the customer. Once you click on the orders and edit can order, okay, update the status of the order, right? Okay, so this is all customers, all products, all of the products which is available in the system will be displayed here. You can see there are 12 products available, right? But those products will be added by the farmers only. All product types, all of the product types, right, which has been added by admin will be displayed here. Admin can edit and update the product, right? This is all notification, all of the notification which has been published by the admin will be displayed here. Admin can edit and update the notification details here, right? Change password, from where admin can change his password. And logout function, once admin logouts, then above administration menu or internal pages will not be displayed. Okay, now I am going on to export. So export and test. So you can see it's saying that your account has been blocked, kindly contact to admin, because we have blocked the account for the export. Now I am going to log in as an admin and opening the, means, yeah, editing the exports and making the status active, right? Now I am going to log in as an export, and this is export and test. You can see now export has this set of option only, question list, right? You can see all of the questions and experts can answer the questions here, right? And all notification, expert can see all of the notifications and comments on that, right? Make comment on that. This is a change password, from where expert can change his password and log out. This functionality is available for the expert only. Now I am going as a farmer. So farmer and test. So once farmer login inside the system, you can see this is the warning which has been uh, raised by the admin, right? Then you can see these warnings had been raised by the admin, right? This is the add products, right? From where a farmer can add the products inside the system. This is the request support from where a farmer can ask the questions, right? All of the products which has been added by farmers, this is the all orders, right, which has been placed by the customer, and the all notifications already explained you. My questions, all of the questions which has been asked by the bar farmer, that farmer which has been logged in, right? Edit, he can edit and update the questions, right? Question list, this already explained you, right? So from here, add farmer can add his own product, right? Means he can sell his own product, wheat, grains, pulse, right, crops. He can sell his own products, right? Change password. From here, farmer will be able to update his account password and log out. Now the buyer's login, right? So this is a buyer login, and the user ID is amit@gmail.com and password is test, right? So let me show you. So this is the flower seeds, right? So I am going to buy some of the products, right? So this is, now there are two items inside the product, right? I am going to add more, this one. So there are three items inside the product. So there are two buttons called do shopping or proceed to checkout. Once you click on the proceed to checkout, it's asking for the shipping information. You need to put your shipping information here and click on the proceed to checkout. So once you click on the proceed to checkout, then you will get the payment page where you need to enter your dummy card details. There is no need of entering the valid card details, right? Because this is a dummy page. The CV number. And once you click on the make payment, then you can see your order number 19 has been paged. You can see the orders on your order details page, my orders page, and you can see order number is 19. And once you click on view items, you will get the all of the items which have you have ordered, right? This is a my account section from where you will be able to, means customer will be able to update his account details and the contact us and the logout, right? So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project, customer assistance portal. And as I told you earlier, this is a major project which has four login system, and I have developed this project in Java, JSP, and MySQL. If you need more functionality in this project, just put it in the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.